welcome to Taiwan Mandarin with Mavis. Have you ever seen texts like 好啊 or 真的假的呀 and thought, wait, what is that or yeah doing at the end? They don't translate directly, but they can completely change the tone of the sentence. They can make something sound more friendly, more playful, or just more natural. In this video, I'll show you how and yeah work when they're used the same way, especially at the end of the sentence. So you can start sounding more like a native too. Let's get into it. By the way, if you're learning Taiwanese Mandarin and want weekly tips, feel free to subscribe. Now, just so you know, both and yeah have a bunch of uses in Mandarin. They can show surprise, soften commands, express frustration or excitement, even turn a sentence into a gentle reminder. But in this video, we're going to focus on one super common use when and yeah are both used at the end of a sentence to make your tone sound softer, more natural, and also more expressive. When used after certain words or phrases, both and yeah can be used interchangeably. They just add a touch of feeling. Let's look at some examples. 好啊 Sure. 好呀 Sure. 真的啊 Really? 真的呀 Really? 谢谢你啊 Thanks a lot. 谢谢你啊 Thanks. So in all these cases, both and yeah work here. They soften the tone and make your sentences less robotic or flat. Now, is there a difference? A little, but it's subtle. Is more versatile. You'll hear it in everyday speech with tons of different tones. 好啊，你说什么？不要一直讲话啊。Yeah, it's a bit softer and feels a little more delicate or cute, especially in Taiwanese Mandarin. You'll often hear it in a more friendly or slightly playful tone, especially among close friends. So when can you use either one? After a vowel sound, Mandarin sometimes swaps for ya just for smooth pronunciation. For example, 好 ends with a vowel. 好呀 sounds smoother than 好啊。对，对呀。是啊 But honestly, in daily conversation, people mix and match all the time, so don't stress too much. They both make you sound more friendly, natural, and emotionally aware. One more thing, intonation changes everything. 好啊 Yeah, let's do it. 好啊 Fine, I guess. 真的呀 Really? 真的啊 Really? So even though the words don't change, the feeling totally does. So pay attention to the rhythm and tone. That's what gives your Mandarin life. Alright, let's review. And yeah are both used to soften your sentence and add emotion. You can often use them interchangeably. Yeah is softer and often follows vowel sounds. Tone is everything. Use rising tone for questions, falling tone for statements, etc. If you want to sound more natural or expressive in Mandarin, these tiny words go a long way. Now it's your turn. Leave a comment using either or yeah at the end of your sentence. I'll read the comment and help you adjust the tone if you need. We've got more grammar tips, particles, and native style phrases coming soon. So stay tuned 大家下次见